Hello, workaholic. Hello, workaholics. It's Sunday and gusto ko lang mag-snacks for dinner. So I got Serenity from Grab. I ordered squid balls. For some reason, sobrang sarap ng squid balls nila. And then I also ordered chicken chops. And then I also ordered brown sugar taho. 75% sugar. I don't really care for this week. I think I deserve the sugar and everything else that I'm gonna snack on tonight. The best of the best here is kailangan nyo meron kayong maanghang na suka. Mas maanghang na suka for your sauce. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. Serenity. Taho. Super sarap kasi may ice pa siya. Halo mo lang. Fantastic. Order ka ng Serenity, try mo.